Namaste. Are you ready to document the beautiful story of your village? Let's create something meaningful together and preserve our heritage for the next generation. Let's begin step by step. First, download the Program app on your mobile phone. This is where you will upload your final documentary video and article. Once you have installed the app, visit your selected village and start your video shoot. Now the important question is, how should I do it? Let's look at the guidelines. If you are shooting using the mobile phone, always hold it horizontally, not vertically. Horizontal videos look more professional. When you reach the village, start by interacting with the people. Speak to elders. Ask them, what is history of the village? How did the village get its name? What special rituals and customs are practiced here? Conduct the interviews with villagers and ask about their culture and traditions, temple history, festival they celebrate, and unique practices followed in the community. You can also record folk culture like traditional dance, songs, or soba nepada, home-based treatments, or traditional medicine practices, family business that have continued for generations, special local food, traditional dresses and marriage customs, daily lifestyle and living methods, water sources such as lakes, rivers, etc., agriculture and farming activities. You may use AI-generated visuals if necessary to recreate historical scenes. While shooting, you can anchor like a travel vlogger. Walk through the village and explain what viewers are seeing. Use a tripod or mobile stand to avoid shaky or jerky footages. Use a microphone if possible or record interviews in a quiet place. If needed, add a voiceover during video editing. After shoot, do neat and proper editing. Then upload the final video to the Program app. The final video must be MP4 or MOV format. If you collect historical information about the village, you can also write an article and upload it along with the video. This will remain as permanent archive material for future generation. Don'ts. The video must be completely your own production. Do not use videos from social media or any other external source. Do not use copyright music or copyrighted images, as your video may be promoted worldwide on social media. This project is not just about making a video. This is about preserve our heritage, culture, and village stories for the next generation. If you have any queries, we are always here to help you. Let's work together and preserve our own heritage. What do you say? Come, let's make it happen. Thank you.